We are humans. Where do we live? What is our conception? And where is our ultimate destination? And when the clay will parch, what will be relinquished behind? A rejected skeleton and tens of thousands of or even billions of secrets of this universe. We have a relatively short life to explore all these predicaments of the universe. In the past, we interpreted our location with the assistance of the stars. But what are they? Are they all specks of glimmer that sparkle in the dusk and fades in the dawn? Is the gloom in the night sky a sign of something, or a code that we might deduce? It is the space. And what we call the study of space is astronomy. We are located in the non-universe, in an insignificant galaxy, in an unspecified solar system, close to a star that is far smaller and unrecognizable among the billions of trillions of quadrillions of quintillions of sextillions of septillions of octillions of nonillions of decillions of and up to so on greater and heftier celestial objects in space. So my question is, what are we? We are just developed beings that can only study and explore this universe without visiting far distances. So, welcome to the series of Basic Astronomy, where I will do my best to make you understand the fundamentals of astronomy from basics to complex ones in a series of episodes. And this was just a trailer.